Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a business logo with Canva in 2025. Canva makes it easy to design professional logos even if you don't have advanced design skills. Whether you're launching a startup or rebranding your business, this guide will walk you through step by step. Once you're on Canva's website, type business logo into the search bar at the top. Canva will display hundreds of ready-made logo templates to get you started. Take some time to browse through the designs. Pick one that feels aligned with your brand's identity and vision. The template is just a starting point. We'll customize it next. Click Customize this template. Canva will open the design editor where you can start personalizing the logo. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand style. When selecting your colors and fonts, think about the message you want your logo to send. Eco-friendly brands might lean toward earthy tones, while tech companies often use sleek, modern fonts and bold colors. Click on the Elements tab on the left side to add icons, shapes, or lines that enhance your logo. Canva has thousands of graphics. Try out different ones until you find something that represents your business well. Take a step back and look at your design. Make sure it's balanced, simple, and recognizable. Remember, a great logo should be clear even at smaller sizes. Once you're happy with the final design, click the download button at the top right. Choose the format that works best for you. PNG for web, PDF for print, or even SVG if you need scalable vector graphics. And that's it. You've created a custom business logo in Canva. With the right design, your logo becomes the face of your brand and leaves a lasting impression. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.